someone else. And I hear your ship is coming in. Your tears are sea for me to swim. And I hear a storm is coming in. It's you. I don't know how else to say it. You're the only person I'll ever want to belong to. The only future I can see when I close my eyes. I look at you and somehow I see a whole lifetime. A million lifetimes, every version of us. Growing, changing, loving. All those years from now, still stealing kisses when no one's looking. Still finishing each other's sentences. Still choosing each other.